In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and TradingView. We'll move from a simple web search all the way to viewing a chart and opening the TradingView trading panel so you can connect to Binance. I'll explain what you're clicking and why, so everything feels clear and deliberate. Start in your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type TradingView. This is a quick way to reach the official site if you don't have it bookmarked. In the results, look for TradingView's official domain and open it. A quick tip: make sure you see the secure lock icon in your browser so you know you're on the legitimate site. Once the homepage loads, use the site's search box. It's usually at the top and helps you jump straight to markets, tickers, or ideas. Type gold versus US dollar, sometimes shown as XAUUSD. Selecting this brings you into a live chart. Opening a known, highly traded instrument is a convenient way to land inside the full-featured charting interface, where you'll find the trading tools we need next. With the chart open, look for the Trade button. Clicking this reveals the trading panel at the bottom of the screen. The trading panel is where TradingView lists its supported brokers and exchanges. It's the control center for placing trades directly from the chart, managing orders, and connecting accounts. Inside the trading panel, find the search icon. Click it to filter the list of available providers. In the search field, type Binance. This narrows the panel so you can quickly spot the Binance option. Selecting Binance here tells TradingView you want to use that connection for your trading workflow. Now click Connect. This begins the secure handshake between TradingView and Binance. Depending on your region and account type, you may see a brief set of on-screen prompts to confirm your identity or authorize access. Follow those prompts within the platform and make sure any confirmation messages complete before proceeding. If you ever see a mismatch between what's on screen and what you expect, refresh the chart page and reopen the trading panel to recheck the connection status. Once connected, you'll be able to manage your trading from within TradingView's chart interface while referencing the gold versus US dollar chart we opened earlier. If you prefer a different market later, you can switch tickers in the same chart window without changing your connection. That's it. You searched TradingView on Google, opened the gold versus US dollar chart, launched the trading panel, found Binance with the search icon, and connected, all in a few clear clicks.